If you want to install iOS launcher on Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store, and then in here we can search for an app that allows us to get the iOS theme or iPhone theme. So what you can type is, for example, iPhone theme, iOS launcher, or something similar. There we go. And you can see that we have many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow us to get this theme. And in my case, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to install this one. I'm going to show you how to set it up, which is very simple. But in case you don't like this one, or if it doesn't work for you, I recommend you trying out different apps that you can find in the Play Store. Once you have the app installed, we want to open it. There we go. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. You don't have to allow the app to use location. We can tap on don't allow. Of course, you can grant access to contacts, to photos and videos, and there we go. One thing that you might want to do is you want to choose make default launcher, so that whenever you go back to the home screen, you actually open the new launcher, the iOS launcher that we just got. Because if you don't, you will just go back to the standard launcher. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, so we need to skip them whenever we have the option to do so. Now over here, we're going to tap on OK. We are going to be redirected to these settings where we can switch to the iOS launcher. And there we go. Now you might see this blur effect message. You can just tap on OK, it doesn't really matter. It appears all the time for every smartphone. And there we go. Now we have our iOS theme. You should be able to find the app library over here. There we go. This is how it looks like. So you should be able to scroll through this list if needed. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.